Section 1. Good day. Ready to tackle a topic that might not sound all that appealing? Accounting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Accounting is all about boring spreadsheets and complicated formulas, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. In fact, accounting can be quite fascinating and even fun when you break it down into simple, easy to understand concepts. Don't worry, I'm not talking about boring spreadsheets and complicated formulas. Instead, we're going to take a light-hearted approach to understanding the basics of accounting. Imagine you're at a barbecue with your mates, and you're the one in charge of making sure there's enough food and drinks for everyone. That's essentially what accounting is. Making sure your business has enough resources to keep running smoothly. We're going to break down basic accounting terms into bite-sized bits, Aussie style. We'll start with the essentials, like understanding your income and expenses. Just like you need to know how much money you have to spend on snags and prawns for your barbie, you need to know how much money your business is making and where it's going. Think of it this way, understanding accounting is like mastering the art of budgeting for a barbie. You need to plan ahead, make sure you have enough supplies and keep track of what you're spending. It's all about being prepared and making informed decisions. You want to make sure you've got enough snags, prawns and fairy bread to keep everyone happy, right? Well, the same goes for your business. You need to ensure you have enough resources to keep your operations running smoothly and your customers satisfied. This means keeping an eye on your cash flow, managing your expenses, and making sure you're not overspending. Same goes for your business. You've got to know where your money's coming from and where it's going. This is where financial statements come in handy. They provide a clear picture of your business's financial health, showing you how much money you're making, how much you're spending, and where you can make improvements. So grab a cuppa, chuck another snag on the barbie, and let's dive into the world of accounting, made fun and easy. We'll cover topics like balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, all while keeping things light and entertaining. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of the basics of accounting and how they apply to your business. So, let's get started and make accounting as enjoyable as a sunny day at the beach. Section 2. Alright, let's break it down, darlings. Accounting is simply the way we keep track of all the money coming in and going out of our business. It's like a financial diary that tells the story of your business. Just like you wouldn't lose track of your sunnies at Bondi Beach, you don't want to lose track of your hard-earned cash. Accounting helps you see how much money you're making, how much you're spending, and most importantly, if you're making a decent profit. Section 3. Now let's talk money, shall we? Gross profit is the money you make from selling your goods or services. You subtract all your expenses. Think of it as your earnings from your day job. Net profit, on the other hand, is what's left over you've paid all your bills, like rent, wages, and the dreaded taxes. It's the money you get to keep at the end of the day, your take-home pay, if you will. Section 4. Sales, the lifeblood of any business. This is the money you make from selling your amazing products or services. It's as simple as that. Sometimes you'll hear it called revenue or turnover, but it all means the same thing. Cold, hard cash coming your way. Remember, more sales usually mean more money in your pocket, so get out there and sell like a boss. Section 5. Cost of goods sold, or direct costs. What you spend to make money. Now, let's talk about the costs associated with making your awesome products. Cost of goods sold, or COGS, is the money you spend directly on the things you sell. For example, if you're running a cake shop, your COGS would include the cost of flour, sugar, eggs, and all those delicious fillings. Basically, it's the cost of the ingredients that go into baking your delectable cakes. Section 6. Expenses. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about running the shop also. Expenses are all the other costs of running your business that aren't directly related to the stuff you sell. Think rent, electricity, marketing, your accountant's fees, and even that fancy coffee machine in the break room. These are the costs you have to pay, even if you don't sell a single thing. Section 7. The income statement. Your business report card. This is one of the most crucial documents for any business, big or small. It provides a snapshot of your company's financial health and performance over a specific period. Now let's put it all together, shall we? Imagine you're a student and your business is your subject. The income statement is like your report card, showing how well you've done in your financial subjects. The income statement, sometimes called a profit and loss statement, is like a report card for your business. It summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specific period, usually a fiscal quarter or year. It shows you how much money you made sales. This is the total revenue generated from selling your products or services. It's the top line of your income statement and a key indicator of your business's ability to generate income. How much you spent COGS and expenses. The cost of goods sold, COGS, includes the direct costs attributable to the production of the goods sold by your company. Expenses, on the other hand, are the costs required to run the business, such as rent, utilities and salaries, and how much profit you made, net profit, over a certain period. Net profit is what remains after all expenses, including taxes and interest, have been deducted from total revenue. It's the bottom line and a critical measure of your business's profitability. Think of it as your financial performance review. It tells you if you're acing it or if you need to lift your game. Just like a student used their report card to understand their strengths and areas for improvement, you can use your income statement to make informed decisions about your business. Are your sales growing? Are your expenses under control? Is your net profit increasing? These are the questions your income statement can help you answer. By regularly reviewing this document, you can identify trends, spot potential issues early, and take proactive steps to ensure your business remains on a path to success. Section 8. Are you using accounting lingo in the real world? Knowing these basic accounting terms will not only impress your mates at the pub, but also help you make smarter and more informed business decisions. You'll be able to negotiate better deals with suppliers, set competitive and attractive prices for your products, and most importantly, understand your business's overall financial health. Section 9. Keeping it real, practical tips for small businesses. Running a small business can be both exhilarating and challenging. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while, there are always new strategies and tips to help you succeed. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is all well and good, but I'm just a one-man band running a small business from my garage. It can feel overwhelming, but remember, every big business started small. The key is to stay organised and focused. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, set clear goals for your business. What do you want to achieve in the next month, 6 months, or year? Having a roadmap can keep you on track and motivated. Even if you're not a financial whiz, there are simple things you can do to stay on top of your finances. Start by creating a budget. List all your expenses and income sources. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health. Use accounting software to track your income and expenses. There are many user-friendly options available that can make this task much easier. Regularly updating your records will help you avoid any surprises at the end of the month. Set aside money for taxes. It's crucial to stay on top of your tax obligations to avoid any penalties. Consider opening a separate account just for tax savings. This way, you won't be tempted to dip into it for other expenses. And don't be afraid to ask for help from a professional if you need it. Hiring an accountant or financial advisor can be a worthwhile investment. They can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Remember, it's okay to seek help. No one expects you to know everything. Networking is another crucial aspect of running a small business. Attend local events, join business groups, and connect with other entrepreneurs. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Engage with your customers. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. Use social media to connect with your audience, respond to reviews, and gather feedback. This not only builds trust, but also helps you understand your customers' needs better. Innovation is key. Don't be afraid to try new things and think outside the box. Whether it's a new product, service, or marketing strategy, staying innovative can set you apart from the competition. Lastly, take care of yourself. Running a small business can be demanding, and it's easy to burn out. Make sure to take breaks, practice self-care, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Your well-being is just as important as your business's success. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every milestone is a step towards your ultimate goal. Recognize your hard work and take pride in your progress. Keep pushing forward, and remember, every big success starts with small steps. Section 10. You've got this. Accounting like a true blue Aussie. See? Accounting doesn't have to be scary or confusing. By understanding these basic terms, you'll be well on your way to running a successful business, Aussie style. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your finances, a little knowledge can go a long way. So go forth, my fellow entrepreneurs, and conquer the world of accounting. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.